Welcome. My name is Andy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut solid surface material with a jigsaw. The first thing you're going to obviously need is a jigsaw, but the most important thing is a jigsaw blade. Now, these blades are made for cutting metal, but they work great for cutting Corian solid surface material. I'm going to leave a link to this product in the description below. Next step, we're going to mark the outside corner on this piece of material with the circle template. And in this case, I'm just going to do a small little radius. Now, jigsaws are great for cutting weird shapes, but it's not really great for cutting straight. There's other tools that are way better for this. So just use the jigsaw for cutting odd shapes. I have my jigsaw, and the blade is already installed, so I'm going to start cutting my radius. We need to start the tool away from the material so that the blade gets started and gets going fast before we start cutting. So I'm going to set it on here nice and flat. I'm going to turn the jigsaw on full speed, and then I'm going to start cutting around that radius, but I'm going to leave the pencil line. We don't want to cut the pencil line because after we're done cutting, we're going to sand to the pencil line. And the reason we're going to do that is because a jigsaw leaves the top of the material a little bit jagged, so we want to compensate for that as we cut. So here we go. Oh, make sure you wear safety equipment. That's perfect. So we've got the line cut, but we're not finished yet. We need to clean up this edge because jigsaws inherently leave a jagged edge or a rough finish. And if you want this to be nice and smooth, you're going to need to either block sand it or you can use a disc sander to clean it up. And that'll make it nice and smooth. If you'd like to see more videos on fabricating Corian solid surface material, check in the link below. I have a whole bunch of videos. Thanks for watching.